Good afternoon, everybody. It is the afternoon. It's a Saturday here in Texas, and I got a little cooking project going on here at request of the wife. So bear with me here a second. I'm looking for some ingredients, and if any of you are married with a wife like mine, you know it's a hunt to look for things. All right, so I went and stopped her on the lawnmower to find the brown sugar. You know, snake it would have bit me is right in front of me. But she's out here mowing the backyard, and check out what she's got going right here. Mel, you want to tell everybody what this is?
This is a salted egg that I
Yeah,
made.
she's salting some of our farm fresh eggs here. Uh, not a favorite of mine, but hey, they enjoy it. Man, look at those eggs right there. Isn't that beautiful? So at Mel's request, I am cooking ribs. Yep, I got the smoker going outside right now, and I'm in here just kind of making up a rub on them with the Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and I'm gonna put brown sugar. I've already done the back side on it. Now I did the bone side. Now I'm gonna do the nice meaty side on here. I'll probably add a little bit of other spices in there, but I can't tell you all my secrets. So this is as far as I'm gonna go.
The secret recipe.
Yeah, I can't tell it all. So this is as far as we're gonna go. Don't tell them I use toothpaste, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Don't tell them the secret ingredient, all right? uh, all right, so that's what's going on around here. Well, Miss Mel, saw your flustered husband searching and searching for all the things that's constantly moved and changed.
Well, the thing is, if you need something, just ask me because I'm the one to know where's.
Yeah, just ask you, but you're mad when I ask you.
Because it's already on your face in front of you. Like the snake's already almost.
Like this brown sugar. Wish I had that fresh, raw, like molasses like sugar in the Philippines now. Man, that would be super good. I used to bring that back here, but I just got lazy at bringing stuff back. I'm like, man, I'm going to be right back over there. I'll just enjoy it there. But honestly, I like to have it here. So I got this baby wrapped up now, and I'm going to get out there and get it on the smoker. I'm going to just cook them down with heat in there for a while and with tinfoil on it. I can't have too much smoke, man. It really tears me up. Some people like that really deep smoky meats and can eat it. I used to be able to, but I can't anymore. So I like a little bit more light smoke and cook just really tender and juicy. So I'll put that tinfoil. It'll hold in all that natural juices and the steam that comes up from all the flavors that I added in there. And then I'll open it up towards the end and brown it off. And I really like them that way, and my guests that are usually around, Melinda and all, they really like it too. All right, well, these are those ribs cooked out there. Like I say, these are not really smoked ribs because that smoke kind of gets to me these days. But, and Melinda, you don't seem to like them real smoky either, do you?
Yes, yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, so these are like with a dry rub done on them, cooked up in here for a long while in their own juices, and you can see that juice just sitting there and not able to escape. And then opened up and browned for a little while. You can see it starting to really brown up on the tips right there. Then we got a couple of sweet potatoes here. Couple cooked up sweet potatoes there. Careful there, I cooked them with olive oil inside. I poked holes all in them. And that way it can soak up that oil in it. Man, olive oil is a good replacement for butter, probably more healthy. So that's a nice little choice. Nice and tender, isn't it? So we're gonna eat up here. Working on a little salad here at the moment. And just relaxing here with the wife. Enjoying the day. We were discussing and looking at shipping companies and container shipping to the Philippines. We got household items and stuff that we debate. Do we want to send them to the Philippines or just not worry about it, get rid of it here? So what do you think about it, Mel?
Well, I think it's too much money. It's costly, and that what stuff we are here, we can buy that one easily there in Philippines.
Absolutely, absolutely. There's nothing here that we need so bad
Oh
there, you
yes,
know.
yeah, that's
I mean,
right.
we kind of already have our own life there anyway. We've got
Mm,
furniture already there. Of course, there's things we want, but our furniture here, like our mattresses, are kind of getting to need to be replaced anyway, right?
yes,
So we don't want to send an old mattress to the
but it
Philippines.
was not unlike before. That's so rare to find the things that they're like here. But you know, now there you can find everywhere.
Exactly.
Yes,
You can find everything, including nice mattresses.
nice mattress, everything.
So you might spend just a little bit more for the mattress than you would here, but the shipping cost and the headache to get it over there
Oh
is
yeah,
phenomenal.
exactly.
I mean, you might as well face you're going to hit that 10 grand mark, you know, if you got a large container, and not much less, maybe 8,000 with a smaller one. Not much difference. And for that kind of money, you can buy a lot of stuff over there
Yes, it's a bunch of stuff that
and
you
have
can
new
have there
stuff
already. Yeah.
and support
And
and support the Philippines.
that's all you need to do. Just sell what's your stuff over here and buy a new one then.
Absolutely. I just think about it and they're like, there's
think that's
nothing that
what I
won't
think
fit in
too.
a ballot buying box. Like little trinkets and personal to your heart memory stuff and all.
Exactly.
But we already have silverware and knives and spoons and bowls and
But
plates and
furniture, the big stuff, you know, you don't need to do that effort, you know, to just send it there in Philippines.
absolutely, absolutely.
No, no.
We just can't see the justification in it, you know. And of course, your little household appliances like a toaster or this Instapot and all, they're really all this stuff is the wrong voltage for over there. And yeah, you can run inverters and you can run step down transformers. Who wants to keep up with a headache? And watch out constantly that a visitor is going to come to your house, a guest is going to be in your kitchen helping out, and they're going to grab something and plug it into the wall and blow it all out. You know, why would you want to keep up with that stress? So better just everything be the right voltage and all. And like Mel said, you can get everything over there now.
Yes,
It's not like years ago. Just support the Philippine economy and just buy it there. Even if it costs just a little bit more. Cut a tip off this right here and want Mel to give it a try. I need her approval before we start. It's warm.
cook well.
What's the flavor like? You like it?
I like the flavor.
With that dry rub on there?
This dry rub, not so much.
That's right on the tip of it, so I see it's got a little bit of gristle like. So I just cut into here, man. That is nice, nice, nice. It's got a good little layer on it right there. I'm gonna dig into this. Looks like it's really juicy. You see that? Look at that. See how this is. Oh my God, it's good. Got just enough smoke on it. I think it's really good flavor. Super good. Better stop enjoying my meal. Well, there we have it right there. That is our little meal for the afternoon here on a nice Saturday in Texas. And while we're honestly sitting here missing the Philippines. We're gonna try to get with some butchers there and see if we can get them to slice out some pork ribs like this. They're in the Philippines. We can go up to the market when they're fresh butchering and try to duplicate the same thing right there. Well, everybody, we're gonna sit down and eat together right now. Appreciate you watching this video. Take care, God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.